health routine is very important while detoxing. Everyone has some cellular weaknesses in different parts of the body. Some of us maybe have cellular damage in our teeth, which, although not visible when we smile, might already be weakened internally. In the modern world, we are exposed to heavy metals from the air, food, and water. These heavy metals are acidic. When detoxing, you're actively removing toxic chemicals and heavy metals from your body. This elimination occurs through the mucosa, which is abundant in your mouth. These acidic chemicals can damage the enamel of your teeth and your gums. Have you noticed a metallic taste in your mouth during detox? This is often due to the expulsion of metals. Similarly, if you sense a medication-like smell emanating from your mouth, it's likely from the mucosa releasing these toxins. It's crucial to protect your dental enamel and gums during this process. The harmful chemicals are stored in the spaces around your cells. By introducing alkaline and hydrating elements, you initiate the movement and gradual elimination of these toxins. They're not expelled through the colon. They leave your body through the skin and kidneys. Understanding and addressing this is an important aspect of effective detoxification. If we have genetic weaknesses in our teeth, I encourage drinking citrus fruits, pineapple, and pomegranate juice with a straw to prevent the liquid from touching teeth directly. Because remember, even though those fruits have alkaline effect, they are acidic in your mouth. Practices such as oil pulling before eating can create a protective natural film on the teeth. I would recommend rinsing the mouth with sodium bicarbonate after each meal to alkalize the mouth. Brushing your teeth 2 to 3 times a day after meals with a homemade toothpaste is very important. Commercial toothpaste, regardless of its claims, often contains glycerin, which creates a film that prevents teeth from remineralizing through saliva. Consider switching to homemade toothpaste, which can be made with equal portion of the following ingredients: baking soda, calcium bentonite clay, calcium carbonate powder. However, don't overlook the importance of addressing the thyroid and parathyroid glands, adrenal and kidney axis. Ensuring clean parathyroids is crucial for improved calcium utilization. Additionally, cleansing the lymphatic system is essential for cellular regeneration. Kidneys are the main eliminative organs of the lymphatic sewage. These steps are vital in achieving a comprehensive detox and promoting overall health.